Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to use a popular filter called Cartoonify on TikTok. This filter makes any object turn into a living cartoon character. It's quite fun to see these animated objects around your house or on your dining table. So on your phone, open the TikTok app. Now tap on the Discover tab at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar, type Cartoonify. Now you'll see all the videos that have used Cartoonify filter. At the top, you'll see the Cartoonify effect in the effect section. Tap on it. Now here you can add the filter to your favorite by tapping on Add to Favorites. To use the effect, tap on the red camera button. Your camera will start. Now before you start to record, you need to first create the objects into living cartoon characters. Point a camera towards an object. Make sure you have plenty of light and make sure the object stands out in contrast. Long press on the select button in the middle of the screen. This will create a box and the box will try to find the object. Once it finds the object, it'll lock on it and you can release the select button. Once you release the select button, a living cartoon character of the object will then appear on the screen. Using your fingers, you can resize and move it around. If you want to delete it, then just drag the object to the bin and start again. You can repeat this action as many times as you want. And now once you have created your cartoon characters, you can go ahead and create a TikTok video using the record button. Set your duration, speed, and other settings and create your TikTok video. And there you go, that is how to use the Cartoonify filter on your TikTok app. Hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, then don't forget to leave it in the comment section down below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.